Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add watermark in Google Docs. If you don't know, watermark is basically faded image or text that sits behind your document, and people use this to mark a document as a draft or confidential, protect their branding or logo on shared files, or stop people from copying and reusing content without credit. So let me show you how we can insert this watermark. It's very simple. It used to be in this insert menu, so when you click on insert, it used to be right over here somewhere, but they just move it into the page elements. So you just want to hover your mouse on page elements and you can see watermark over here. I can click on it. It's going to show you this right hand menu, and there are two ways. Now you can add your maybe logo or some image as your watermark, or you can add text. So firstly, let's try text. I can type my channel name. So it's going to be Checkmark Academy. Then you can choose font. If you want to change font, you can change it maybe to impact or whatever you want. You can change the size. Then you can have some basic formatting options like maybe color. So you can make this red. And now the most important setting is transparency, because you can see that the watermark is really strong. So I'm gonna put transparency on maybe 90, and then we can see our document as well, and the watermark too. You can choose then diagonal or horizontal position of the watermark if you want. You can also choose if you want to make this in front of the text or behind the text, then click on done, and now you have your watermark, and this is going to apply to every page you create, as you can see. Now the second way is that we can insert our image or logo. So you want to go again to watermark settings. You can remove this text watermark and you can switch to image, click on select image, and you have options. You can upload it from your computer, your Google Drive. You can use Google Images if you want. So I'm gonna, let's say, upload one of my parrot files. It's actually not my photo, but it's just for an example. Imagine this is my logo. Then you can change the scale of the image and also make sure the faded option is selected. So actually you can see your document, because if you uncheck this, it's going to be with the full brightness or opacity. Or you can also do more image options and you can change it even more as you want. So you can change the contrast, brightness, opacity. You can recolor image, you can change the position. So you can align it however you want. You can also rotate this. So I can put my custom angle, then I can drag this by the corner and I can move this maybe in the middle like this. And now you're gonna have this watermark again on every page. So this is basically how you can insert watermark and remove it in Google Docs. So page elements, watermark, and I can remove it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.